All right, customer called us because they didn't have heat,
Yeah.
and we came and right on time. We came and helped them get the heat back on. What's your name, ma'am?
Nissan Mason.
And how did we do on the work today?
Pardon me?
How was the work today? Your experience with the Absolute?
I think you guys had a great, wonderful day.
Nice.
You made me smile.
I'm happy to hear that. Well, you stay warm, all right?
Everything working.
Yeah. All right. Of course.